Hey guys, Miguel here with Donnelly Ford here in Mount Vernon. Just wanted to put a spotlight on some fresh inventory that we have in stock. It is a 2020 Volvo S90 R-Design. And basically what the R-Design is, it's going to give you those black mirror caps, some aggressive wheels, that black grille, and the previous owner did put a nice tint on it as well. I think it's a very unique vehicle, and I think you will too. Let's check out the interior because that's really what brings the vehicle together. Hey guys, and as you can see, like I was saying, the interior features, you have the R-Design embroidered in the seats. It's a very comfortable seat. Working your way in here, how you start and shut off the engine basically is right here. You're gonna have your foot on the brake, and actually all you do is twist it to the right. Now the vehicle is off, and again, if I want to start it, now she's on. Very unique. It does have your heated steering wheel, heated seats, along with your heads-up display. You have an amazing panoramic sunroof, and let's work our way to the back. And again, it's very, very spacious, leather interior in the back. You also have heated seats in the back as well. And again, this is a very unique, fun, interesting vehicle. It's an all-wheel drive vehicle as well. We do have our Donnelly difference with a lifetime powertrain and 3 free oil changes. Come experience it and let me know if this vehicle will be able to fit your needs and wants.